open up your mind to all the possibilities and be able to look beyond the fog and see the opportunities and allow yourself to dream. I find real estate to be very comparable to looking at a piece of art. And when you find something special, people do label it a masterpiece. In the United States of America, we have, as an example, on resort properties on the ocean, there's very little left. Well, Cabo is close, of course, to the southern portions of the United States. And I've been down there personally for about 20 years, and I've watched the growth. And now I'm starting to see the scarcity that is occurring in Cabo, the scarcity of these properties that used to be there, a lot of property, now there's very little. Jack has already done one of the golf courses at Quivira that it's become quite well known golf course there, and now we're doing a second. Because of the popularity, we need a second golf course and to expand the development and different things that we're doing. So Jack's doing our second course. He's pretty excited about it, so am I, and it's fun to get back with him again to do golf. We've done a lot of it. On the Sea of Cortez, I had a small enclave within a large development. It was called Chileno Bay. I think they're probably the best lots in all of Cabo. I think people would agree. Oceanfront property in Hawaii is extremely scarce. I think that finding a piece of property in Hawaii on the ocean is no small challenge. I found a piece of property that is very unique, so I see it as unique, and I'm treating it as a unique masterpiece piece of property. I'm not going to try to maximize the usage of it. I'm going to try to keep it in really wonderful estate parcels, averaging about 60 acres apiece, or plus or minus, all going to the oceans. It's going to be a masterpiece piece of property. I mean, that's one that God made, just period. We don't have to do anything really to really enhance it. You can build a house on it, and you can build your estate on it, or you can build your family compound on it, but the land is just wonderful. And that's part of life. That's part of the moment-to-moment life that you enjoy. Life is a journey. And that's part of the journey of life, is your dreams and testing them out and sharing, even before you complete them. The dream that you have in your head starts out that way, and it evolves because you involve yourself with other people and other ideas and other things in order to manifest it. People say, why don't you retire? You can retire, Lyle. I'm never going to retire from what? From dreaming? From participating in life? So I have a different view of retirement. Retirement doesn't really mean the same. If you're really into your dreams and pursuing your dreams, then what's to retire from? I really am just as passionate about my dreams today as I've ever been. As a matter of fact, in some ways, I think I dream better because I've got more experience to draw on.